So quick, guys, I'm here working on my computer. I just changed my desktop. It's pretty lit. It's like the goal, so we're gonna leave it as desktop till we have it in the driveway. So you guys ready? It's gonna be my car really soon. Let's say 10 months is the goal. 10 months from now. What's 10 months from now? That's a 10-month timer. 10 months from today. No. Wednesday, May 22nd. Wednesday, May 22nd, 2019. Maybe I'll have a Lamborghini by then. Who knows, folks? Who knows? Maybe I'll have a Model 3. We'll see. So, it's in my timer now. You guys can take a look at it if you want, but I'm not going to show you. It's there. So, I'm going to go on to the next part of this vlog. So, I'm sitting here editing this video. It's 12 a.m. and I'm trying to reset my sleep schedule, so I'm gonna go take like a bunch of melatonin, like 2 or 3 pills of it, and pass out hopefully, because I want to wake up at 8 a.m. and start my schedule like that. I'm starting the SMMA this week and hopefully gonna start making some moolah again. Hopefully we'll start that soon, so we can show you guys how on YouTube again how to do so, because it's a great technique, guys. You guys all need to know how to make money from like just selling social media. Anybody can do it, and like if you're in the growing age of 1998 and like the 90s, like you are the people who kind of grew up with the internet, so you guys can really capitalize off it right now. And even you younger people in high school and stuff right now, that's like the perfect category. So I'm gonna go to bed now. It is 12:01. It's getting late. We're gonna carry this vlog off in the morning though. Hope you guys are enjoying it though. So it's like 8:30 in the morning, guys. I woke up about 30 minutes ago, watched the morning news, and we are now gonna get some coffee. So I'm gonna go shower and let's go get some coffee. Let's do this. So guys, it is no microphone on this camera, but it is 9 a.m. Well, it's not 9 a.m. It's 8:45, and we're gonna head to Tim Hortons now to get some iced coffee. I want to talk to you guys about what we're gonna be doing today, and before we get into that, I'm just gonna quickly walk here because it's not too windy in my front yard, so I think we can film here. We're going to actually be doing some cold calls today. I'm going to try to record some of them just to show you guys. They are going to be my first cold calls. But we are setting up something called an SMMA. Some of you guys can also start doing because I've been doing Shopify for a while. This is going to be running businesses basically around you, their social media. So the reason I'm doing it right now is because it's such an untapped niche where I am, and like nobody's doing it for anybody. So like, why not become the big dog right now while I still can, instead of somebody else kind of coming in and doing so. And I'm going to try to show as much as I can on the channel, because I see a lot of people just selling the lifestyle, and like SMMA doesn't look too difficult. It looks pretty simple to do if you know what you're doing. So I kind of want to teach it to you guys here, as well as my Shopify and all of that business stuff. But I do hope you guys are going to enjoy the video. If you do, drop a like on it, subscribe if you are new around the channel. We're going to go get some Tims now, but let's go do that. Okay, so I'd normally take you guys in to get coffee, but like I worked here, I know the people here, I talked to them for a bit and stuff, so it's kind of awkward to do so. We're gonna go get the coffee and come back. So I'm gonna go get coffee now. Let's go get coffee. Cheers! So we got the iced coffee. I wasn't wrong. My old manager was there, so I talked to her for a bit. So that was pretty fun to do. So we're gonna head home now. I want to explain something to you guys that is bad habits and why these things are really keeping you guys from getting so much success with your life. I'm gonna explain to that why I think that's such a big thing and why it's something you have to break, which is bad habits, as well as forming new habits and forming new just daily habits. So like why daily habits will change your life, and it's gonna be something to talk about, and you'll see what I mean by this. So I'm gonna go home now, and we'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, it is like so beautiful here. Like the skies are nice and blue. Everything's blue. It's supposed to start storming in like 2 hours. So like, why? It's so much nicer to be nice out. My windows are open in my car. I don't want to put them up. We're gonna go home and talk, or we're gonna go in and talk about these bad habits and stuff that you guys can change and start optimizing your life, making it better. And we're gonna teach you guys that. Optimization is key. So walking into my room, guys, so though, believe it or not, this is cleaner than usual. This is what my room normally looks like. So like this is something I don't even pay attention to. That's almost all cleanly stacked up. There's just a sweater sitting on top. But like making your bed, cleaning your desk, and like cleaning your general area is really going to make a difference when it comes to your daily activity. I know it sounds ridiculous, but it's a proven thing. Many people talk about it, and it's a proven thing. I want you guys to test it out today and see if it works for you. See if it works. I guarantee it will. Try it out. I'm going to go make my bed now, and I promise you, you're going to be more motivated to do more things throughout the day. So, it's not as easy as I expected, guys. I'm gonna eliminate a couple of these guys off the list. We got one off the list. They don't even want to talk about sales. So, that eliminated that one pretty quick. So, sorry, Garden Grove. Not gonna get my service. No worries. Gelderman's is still kind of interested, I think. They sounded pretty interested. This place didn't even have a pickup. I'm going to eliminate them because there's many other people to add to this list. I'm going to leave the people who are on the call count. So let's add to the call count. Where is my phone? It's over on my bed. I'm going to go grab that. Okay, so at the end of these vlogs, I kind of want to like tally up all the cold calls that I've done and see how many we can do. So we have 0 on the list starting today because we're just starting the series out. So we did 1 to the vape barn, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. But not too shabby. Some of them were pretty nerve-wracking. Like I got turned down and I was like, what? Like you can't do that to me. You gotta be gentle. You gotta be gentle with these customers. You don't want to go and sell on yourself. You kind of want to go in as just a friend or a family member who just wants to help people make money. When you're selling a service, nobody just likes a salesman that much. So like, if you're trying to show them value, it's a different story. So you kind of want to just show them some value, show them some love, talk to them in person, show them what you can provide to their business, and just teach them as much as you can. Anyways, guys, this vlog is gonna round it up right about here. So if you guys do enjoy this video, go ahead and drop a like on it. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one. Drop a like you did. My dogs are whining. They're complaining all day. I'm gonna go. I'll go on a walk with them. Maybe shoot some stuff. Might bring the camera. Might not, depending on the battery life. But I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Peace out. So I forgot there was actually a meaning to why I had this little last part here. Never trust a dog. Look what's happening now. Enough! Holy crap.